Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that allows you to display only the pending challenge in the modification search. By default, the search list shows all challenges that have been created, whether they have been retrieved in a sale voucher or not. To enable this feature, go to the default path where Logic ERP is installed and run the Logic Admin application. Open Global Settings. Under Sales Settings 1, you will find an option labeled Display Only the Pending Challenge in Challan Modification Search. Enable this option, save the settings, and restart the software. Now, let's check the effect of the enabled option. As you can see, only the pending challenges are displayed in the modification search list.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.